everyone, my name is Leon and welcome back to another video. I make content every single day based around video production, making money online, tutorials and business, so be sure to subscribe if that's what you're interested in. So in today's video I'm going to be showing you how to find freelance work if you're under 18 using Twitter. This video should be helpful to any young aspiring freelancers wanting to get freelance work to build up a portfolio. So without further ado, let's get started. Okay, so what you want to do first is obviously go to your browser, and the next thing you want to do is go to the search bar and type in, well, Twitter. And now as you can see, Twitter is now loaded up. So now what you want to do is go to search Twitter and type in your specific skill. So mine is video production, so I'm going to search up I need a video edit. Jesus. Oh my god. There you are, I need a video editor. So just click on that. And now you will be met with, well, you'll be greeted with a huge list of people who want your specific skill set. So there we are. I need a YouTube video editor for videos 10 to 15 minutes that can follow a script and cut down footage and to make it fit the narration. Editors DM me, so there you are. I need a video editor for my YouTube channel, and if you want I can mention you on my YouTube channel. There you are, in case you want credit, in case you want a shout out or something, in case you haven't got a YouTube channel yourself. Which I'm going to assume most of you do have YouTube channels. There we are. I need a video editor ASAP. Oh my god, I need a video editor. Any recommendations or portfolios? There we are. I need a paid business video editor for new things. Again, I would have read that and that out, but again, that's not what this channel is based around. There we are. I need a hard edit video editor that can do shit like this. There we are. So there you are. I need a VFX artist or video editor for a video. And finally, I need a video editor, no pay whatsoever. I'm just terrible at editing and could use some help for free. There we are, perfect. So you can build a portfolio there. Now I just want to mention that if you're looking for like long-term work on Twitter, you're not going to get anywhere, to be honest, because I don't know, I'd say it's somewhat near impossible to make a living using freelancing using Twitter. But again, I don't know. Don't take my word for it. Go try it out. Go and try it out for yourself and see if I don't know, you can make something out of it. Okay guys, so that's the end of the video. If it provided you any value, then be sure to subscribe for more. Leave a like and share it around to boost it in the algorithm and search results, and overall help the channel grow. And if you have any questions or just general things you think I could improve on, then be sure to leave them in the comment section below or contact me via Instagram or Snapchat. Thanks for watching, and I shall see you in my next video. Take care everyone.